How bad does your vagina smell? Simple ways to get rid of vaginal odor if not caused by infection. It's normal for every girl who has reached puberty to experience vaginal odor. We have the natural odor and then the type caused by common body actions. Take menstruation. Normally, if the vagina is not kept clean at the time of the monthly cycle, stale blood left for a period of time will bring smell. Then we have urine, another reason for vaginal odor. Not rinsing or wiping the vagina after using the toilet, any trickles cling to pubic hair, thus soiling and staining panties which will smell. Sanitary towels and tampons need changing regularly. If you're worried about how you smell down below, instead of the suggested once a day clean, wash 2 or 3 times if needed. In hot weather, change knickers often, as heat can be problematic in and around the genitals. An accumulation of sweat will make the genitals clammy, sticky and smelly. Choose cotton panties or knickers to wear as it's a breathable fabric. Cotton over nylon and other materials allow the vagina to breathe. Trim. Pubic hair as thick hair is a major attraction for urine, blood and sweat to stick to. If you worry about odor, especially the smell brought by the monthly bleed and the expense to keep changing sanitary towels, look for a more cost-effective way and use reusable cotton menstrual pads or menstrual cups. The vagina is not a known organ of the body to bring unpleasantness in this manner because it has a self-cleaning mechanism. However, odorless organ or not, the vagina does smell, well the area surrounding it can, and you have 3 reasons above to prove it. Particular vaginal infections bring odor which is embarrassing. Take bacterial vaginosis, typically known for a vaginal discharge smelling like fish. And then you have the one that causes itch, again an embarrassing thing if close to people. BV occurs because of bacteria and parasites entering the vagina. Although the vagina is a self-cleaning organ, bacteria and parasites still manage to settle inside, so you need to take whatever necessary steps to prevent this happening. Hygiene is important to keep odor to a minimum. The vagina has a natural smell, supposedly erotic and a big turn-on for the opposite sex, nevertheless too strong the odor can be off-putting. Genital skin is sensitive, so be wary of certain feminine products. Cleaning the vulva needs nothing more than a rinse with water. If you are in the process of treating an infection at home, talk to the chemist-pharmacist about the safest products to use, as a lot sold over the counter contain chemicals. Chemicals strip natural oils, and if used on the vulva, the skin may turn dry and irritated. The skin in this state is now more prone to infection. Specific chemicals coming in contact with the vagina can give rise to a urinary tract infection if anywhere near the urethra. Chemical-based soaps, bath gels or other are known to upset the natural pH of the vagina, causing an overgrowth of anaerobic bacteria, genital mycoplasmas, and Gardnerella vaginalis, with reduced or absent lactobacilli. Products heavily scented, or gels or antiseptics, which may throw off the balance of healthy bacteria, avoid. It is not necessary to scrub the vagina vigorously. Just like you would wash your hands and face is the way. Washing the folds around the clitoris isn't difficult but definitely necessary. Using the fingers, pull the labia away from the clitoris and gently dab but not rub the skin on both sides of the clitoris. Don't forget to clean the perineum, this is the area between the vagina and anus. Unless a doctor or pharmacist has prescribed or advised a particular medication to treat an infection that has caused vaginal odor, don't use it. Also, any condition bringing a smelly odor needs to be determined by a doctor and not a friend to make sure you are treating the right problem. It happens all too often among women who have thought they had a yeast infection only to find out they had a sexually transmitted disease. Treating infections effectively only ever happens if the right infection is diagnosed and the proper cream, lotion or tablets are used.